Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the telecommunications industry? It's more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that's transforming the way we communicate. Picture this: a world where network operations are optimized to their peak, customer experiences are personalized to their needs, and security is enhanced to levels we've never seen before. This is not a far-off future, but a reality being shaped by the intersection of AI and telecommunications. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a technology that allows machines to learn, reason, and self-correct. In the realm of telecommunications, it's like a supercharged engine driving the industry forward. By learning from data, AI can predict network outages before they happen, personalize customer interactions, and detect security threats in real time. And these are just the tip of the iceberg. AI is indeed a game-changer in telecommunications, but how exactly does it work? Let's dive into a real-world example to see how AI is transforming telecommunications. Imagine a leading telecom company facing an immense challenge: handling vast amounts of data, predicting network failures, automating routine tasks, and personalizing the customer experience. Sounds like a daunting task, right? But with the help of artificial intelligence, they turned these challenges into opportunities. This telecom giant decided to harness the power of AI to analyze the enormous amounts of data they were dealing with daily. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, they were able to process and analyze this data in real time. This gave them valuable insights into network performance, customer preferences, and even potential security threats. But they didn't stop there. They also used AI to predict network failures. By training AI models on historical network data, they could predict potential network failures before they occurred. This drastically reduced downtime, improved network reliability, and resulted in a smoother customer experience. AI also played a crucial role in automating routine tasks. The telecom company used robotic process automation, or RPA, to automate tasks such as billing, customer service, and network maintenance. This not only saved time and resources, but also reduced the chances of human error. Now, let's talk about personalizing the customer experience. The company used AI to analyze individual customer behavior and preferences. This enabled them to offer personalized services and recommendations, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. The result? A more efficient, reliable, and customer-centric telecom service, all thanks to the wonders of AI. But this is just one example. Across the globe, telecom companies are using AI in fascinating ways, from improving network security to enabling next-generation technologies like 5G. The possibilities are endless, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. This case clearly demonstrates the transformative power of AI in telecommunications. So, what have we learned from this exploration into AI in telecommunications? Well, first and foremost, we've seen that AI isn't just a trendy catchphrase. It's a revolutionary technology that's dramatically reshaping the telecom industry. AI is opening up new possibilities, from network optimization and predictive maintenance to personalized customer service and fraud detection. We've also delved into a real-world case study, demonstrating how a telecom company has harnessed the power of AI to improve their operations and customer satisfaction. This is just a snapshot of the potential AI holds for telecommunications. In summary, the intersection of AI and telecommunications is not just exciting, it's transformative. It's about creating more efficient networks, better customer experiences, and ultimately, a more connected world. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that's reshaping the telecommunications industry. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos about AI.